In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time tracking in Zoho Books. Whether you're a freelancer managing multiple clients or part of a team tracking billable hours, this process is essential for keeping accurate records and ensuring everyone gets paid correctly. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we need to create a project in Zoho Books. Begin by navigating over to the time tracking section on the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice different options appear, and here you'll want to click on Projects. Once you're in the Projects section, look for the New Project button and give it a click. Now it's time to enter some details. You'll need to provide the project name along with the client details. This information is crucial because it ties all your log time to the correct client, making invoicing much easier later on. You'll also need to choose a billing method. Zoho Books offers various billing options, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once all this information is filled out, hit Save to create the project. Now that we've set up a project, it's time to log the hours you and your team have spent working on it. Head back over to the time tracking section and this time, select Timesheet. In the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Log Time. Click on it, and don't be confused when you see another log time option. Go ahead and select it again. This brings up a form where you can input the essential details of the time you've spent. Start by entering the date on which the hours were worked. Next, select the project name from the drop-down list. This connects your log time to the specific project you set up earlier. After that, choose the task name. If your project is broken down into multiple tasks, this step ensures accuracy in tracking. Now, here's the important part. Input the time spent on the task. Be as precise as possible to ensure your records are spot on. After entering all these details, click Save. This action ensures that your logged hours are recorded and linked accurately within the system. With these steps complete, you have successfully logged time tracking in Zoho Books. By following these simple instructions, you ensure that your time entries are organized, accurate, and ready for smooth billing operations. It's an excellent way to keep track of your work, manage project progress, and ensure your time is billed correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your day-to-day operations. Remember to check back for more tips and tutorials on getting the most out of Zoho Books.